You might actually get this.
That she feels is safe enough for them, and they will lay motionless there for about 6 hours until mom comes back. So if you're out and about and you find yourself a deer fawn, they say to go ahead and leave it in place. And if you don't see mom come back in about 6 to 12-ish hours, go ahead and call Fish and Wildlife, as they will come along, collect that little guy, and bring him to, well, a place that is going to care for him.
You want to show baby her?
Bless you.
You got any more tissues?
Yes, I do. It's in the middle section. Trying to get rid of it.
Yeah, I plucked it off.
When did you do that?
Just now.
Just now?
Like a minute or two ago.